The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Wessy, I am sorry, I never do it again. People, when me get up, people get in on my head, make me say them things there. Me don't know how wrong with me don't know how I do me. Sorry.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, me there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I just presented to you a video that shows when ghetto Micheal Jackson apologized to a person who goes by the name of Wessy. That video follows videos that shows when ghetto Micheal Jackson said some things about Wessy and Wessy responded to some things that ghetto Micheal Jackson said about him. Alright, now if any of you, my viewers and subscribers, want a better understanding about this whole situation, I'm going to leave links at the end of this video, and if you click those links will take you to previous videos that I posted showing ghetto Micheal Jackson and Wessy talking about each other. Alright? Now I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of audios that are about a man who threatened a female's life. This man said some things in these pieces of audios that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not believe. You see, this man talked very violently to the female in these pieces of audios. See? Now I'm going to present the audios to you, and then I will talk a little bit more about these audios to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now before I present these pieces of audios to you, this is a warning that some of the things that have been said in these audios might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here are the pieces of audios. Take a listen and observe.
I'm not trying to be hide. You think it's hide forever? They look for you between your house and your work since 6 o'clock. No, me go work. Man, how to work now? You don't have time, you know how you do what you have to do. You know, everywhere you go, from first tries to down by public works, to down by top ranking. You know, everywhere you go, to your work, to your, you know, everywhere you go, you know, everywhere the other man go to. When I lie down and sleep, I do my homework. I can tell you everywhere you go on a daily basis. You think you can hide forever? Why try to see if you can hide forever? You see your check attention and sympathy, I'm going to back off and go ahead plan. Back off and go ahead plan. You know how you choose for me time when I need to do, me have to do. But back off and continue planning. There are nothing else to do. Nothing else to do. Mark, when you hear me tell you, if you ever regret the day you know me, everybody is sympathize with you. And that's why you know, you have to do what you have to do. You don't waste no fucking time. You see, you get people involved, but I'm going to step back and wait. You get the involved. You know, 2 weeks, 2 years, me plan for you. 2 years. We can tell you everywhere you go. We can call 10 places, 12 places, but we can find you anytime and during the day. And same thing with the young man. Tell you already, me very evil. People may tell us they never believe. You may think you have gone on the legs. Me very evil. Tell that already. I'm going to leave you alone. You can pass me up on road. You can see me up and down. Anytime you pass me, watch what will happen. I'll make do my homework. I always remember that. And you're going to see me very often. The next opportunity I get, I'm going to come down here in your yard. I'll come down where you work. I'm going to scout out your office. I'm going to see where every window and every door be. You think you're evil? You think you're evil? So we to say to you, nothing more. Get all you want involved. Remember, all I'm doing is my homework and planning. That's all I do, planning. You think I can hide forever? Me look for you since 6 o'clock this morning. No, I'm done. She said, you talk like that. Tell she well. Where else I can go when I done do what I do. So me done make moms know with no uncertainty. Me not send call you. Me not ask for $1 for doing nothing. Me not tell no I can look for me. Whatever I do, I pay the fucking price. I'm done make that clear to her. When we don't do it, the one place where them put people who do them things there, then I make up my mind for go. There will be going. So I don't know if and maybe or when. Remember that.
It
When
don't
we go to not if or when.
and when it don't stay, it'll chop off for me head and Conrad dead.
But say I don't know if that can happen or when it can happen.
Oh.
Not if it can happen, when.
Mm.
That's my plan.
Okay.
I'm gonna tell you this is only the plan only happen yet because I can't see the two in the same area. One mustn't go without the next.
Okay.
Unless the Lord touch my heart.
Okay.
I can't go along with the see me.
I hope one day the Lord
No, that
touch
is
your
my
heart.
no, that is my plan. No, that is my plan.
Okay.
We will cheer you and he for years if matter.
Mm-hmm.
Until the right time present itself. We don't have to do.
Okay.
We don't forget people. We don't forgive people. We don't forget.
That's why me know God and good God.
We don't forget people.
Okay.
That do me nothing. Ask Jean Daly about me. We don't forget people.
You ask me daily, you don't ask me, you're your mama. You tell me for ask people that you chop off, you hang up some woman in the house, and you do this and you do this and you do the world.
I hang up a woman with an electric wire in our house. But tell you already, Sandra. Then let me tell about me. You may think you have gone on the legs.
So when you hang up the woman, she just let you go free?
She piss like how you piss.
I hang she up. You hang she up.
She piss like how you piss.
Yeah, so what you do, nothing?
You think you can manage me?
Let me just ask.
That's what I want. I'm glad you come down to some of them. This is how I want to start behaving. You know why? When you start to go on like a this year, it's a my ball game, it's a my play.
And why you want me to want to war with you?
You see how you feel they can take me on? That me like.
And why you want?
That me like.
Nobody want to war with you. That's why I'm going to put the parents of them to talk to you.
That me like.
And why me no want? Because you want war. That's why I'm going to look for your parents of them so they can talk to you. That's why I'm going to talk to your family and them.
Why you go to my family? You are family. Why you not go to your family?
I am not going to my family because I mean, you don't promote my family. They're going to take me from Cameo Station.
Listen to me. Listen to me. I kill as many as I can. I plenty of you.
Oh.
About the female don't sit down and plan for all I know.
Oh.
You see when you go to them, I want to them to start come at me. But you hear ya, that's something called go with a warfare. You don't come face to face and do nothing. That is the reason why you don't know I live by myself. I can sleep in a bush for months. And just move at the time, pick out one tonight, back in hiding. Pick off all eye one by one. Can't manage all eye together. It is called guerrilla warfare.
Nobody don't go with a warfare with you. You want to with people. Nobody want not with you. Nobody want not with you. Everybody want to make your babe so.
You have family, why you not tell them?
I go to your family. But I go to my family.
Why you not tell them?
If I go to my family, the war will start. Because
war will start?
Yes, because I go to my family, they will call the police. If they mean to call police, they will call the police.
Yeah. I have enough firepower to take out all of you. You don't believe so?
And them, me know them just call Colonel and Colonel and all that kind of stuff. So that's why I don't go to them. Don't go to fool your family.
You not listen to me. You not listen to me.
You don't care where you are.
Listen to me.
Where you are for you.
I know fight over take out as many as you can.
Nobody want to war with you. Nobody want to war with you. You want war.
You're bad.
You're bad. Tomorrow man, you say go look for the center, go look for the center. And tell her who you want to tell.
You're bad?
Me not bad, you the bad one.
Alright.
Are you the bad one? Because me not go and tell nobody a create war. You a create war.
I'm going to show you who bad.
Are you a create war, not me?
I'm going to show you who bad.
Oh.
Remember the mood that you're in tonight. I love
you know mood. You're black before your phone. You're black me.
I love this mood you're in.
You love this one mood. But now, I'm not going to money because I'm not buy an injection.
This is how I want you.
Buy an injection.
This is how I want you.
Oh, so you want me?
This is how I want you.
Really?
Street fight. That's what I
want.
want.
Street fight? You want street fight?
I feel you can take me to fuck on.
That me?
That's what I want. Wow.
I not even want war with you. You want war. You look war.
What your
why you look?
What your fucking hand away from it?
Me?
What your hand away from it? But your family, why you not going to tell them? You're afraid?
Man, me don't tell you how big man you be. How big man you be. Stop behave like a child. Behave like a big man. You're not behave like an educated man. You're not believe like an educated man. You behave like a don't suck me. You're behaving just like me. You're not behave like an educated man. You're not behaving like an educated man. You're behaving like a don't like me. But think what you're saying out of your mouth. Just stop and think for a few minutes that you're an educated man like you. How you behave.
You put yourself with dance. You can go down to them the love.
But you don't have to. You don't have to go to my level. You're an educated man.
You can come down to fair level.
You don't have to come down to my level. You don't have to come down to my level.
That's what I've done.
Because you want to come down to my level and not thinking. And you want to come down.
I'm going to stay down there till I'm done going to do.
Okay. You do it. You want to stay down there and you tell me that you are the world. You are decent woman. I mean you caliber. I mean this. I mean that. Suppose you mean you caliber.
You're raw. So whatever pay. Send me tell you. I'm bad for your life. I'm bad for the man life as all you want.
You're bad for the man life.
Send me tell you so. You can cry for who you like. You can cry for who he likes.
Okay.
God alone can save you.
Okay. Okay.
2 years and we had it back from my head.
You for time hide to tell you things, you rail up.
You don't have the back from me, man.
You say hide to tell you that how children and chance boy.
We don't even want to fucking hear you, right? We don't say what we can do and nothing can change.
So what you have to do?
It don't matter what you say.
Sometimes they want to use psychology for me. I tell me people say this and people do this. That's what happened. Tomorrow I'm going to go for Conrad. I'm going to go for Conrad tomorrow and say, go transfer board and come and name up a transfer board and say, Heidi said this in Arkansas, so I'm going to go feed tomorrow. They going to go feed tomorrow and say, hi, Conrad, go transfer board and tell somebody about what I tell Heidi. Heidi tell you something. That's what you see him.
Get whoever you want things for it. I don't give a fuck. You're going to make like me take advantage of you. Me take advantage of you. When all you have to do in the fucking early is just saying I want them to do me and go about your fucking business. You think stick around me and fuck around my life? You think so? You think this is the end so? Tell you already this is going to be a bloodbath. You tell that already. You don't have to believe me. You don't have to believe me. This is going to be a bloodbath. You don't have to believe me. Mark with the fucking here and tell you. You go to moms and them, I'm going to do back off. and continue planning. Back off and continue planning. We have nothing else to do. Back off and continue doing what you do. And at the time when you feel, you can take all you want, you don't give a fuck. At the time when you feel nothing happen, watch you see what happen. The time when you let the guard down, I'm going to give you time and allow you. And you're done and you're stupid. You just figure out, oh, you forgot, you done with me now. Then I will strike. And they're going to be weeping and wailing. People going to be left motherless. People going to be left fatherless. You know nothing to say? Alright. Okay. I'll show you who me be. You know nothing to say? What do you want me to say? Alright. What do you want me to say to you? No problem. No problem. You laugh? I'm going to show you who laugh. I'm going to show you who laugh. Me laughing? So me throat itch me cough. Me laugh?
Have you ever heard that saying where them say, when you dig one hole, dig two? You ever hear that saying there before? Eh? This man sound as if he's talking out of jealousy. This man sound as if he's jealous. See, according to some things that I heard in those pieces of audios, it seems as if the woman is somehow involved with a person who the man call a young man or something like that. You see what I said to you? Give thanks for technology, you know. Give thanks for technology. Because without these pieces of audios, persons might not believe that that man said those things to that female. Allegedly, the man is said to be from the country that is known as Antigua and Barbuda. And allegedly, the man is said to be a police officer within the country that is known as Antigua and Barbuda. Please bear in mind that I said allegedly in viewers and subscribers. And you know, me hear the man said some things in those pieces of audio that gave me an understanding that he talked about a female who he said he did something to that female. You know, something about hanging her up or something like that. You see me? Now, I read a news article about something that happened in Antigua where it is said that a female body was found, and it's like the article said that the female was found hanging or something like that. Now, if that man actually have something to do with that incident where the female body had been found, with these pieces of audios, him just get left. Jamu, no sir. People, me I tell you, me say, you have some really insensitive people out there. You have some people, them just think cruel towards each other. How can somebody even think about taking someone's life, yo? Eh? Why? The people, let me know what you think about these pieces of audios that I presented to you. See? You can also let me know what you think about the video that I presented to you as well. John. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.